Ay, ay. I'm doing this tonight. Your puppy got to start up right. I know this can't be right. Hey baby, come on. I love you endlessly when you were there for me. So now it's time to leave and make it alone. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye bye bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in the game for two. Shoot me, hit me, but it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough. Might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. Just hit me with the two now. Girl, I'm gonna walk on two. So give me one good reason, baby. Come on, I live for you and me. And now they come to see that life could be much better once you go gone. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye bye bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in the game for two. Shoot me, hit me, but it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. Don't wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough. Might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. I'm giving up, I know for sure. I don't wanna be the loser that in love no more. I'm checking out, signing up. I don't wanna be the loser that I had enough. I don't wanna be your fool in this game for two. So I'm leaving you behind. I don't wanna make it tough, but I've had enough. It ain't no lie, baby. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in the game for two. But it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough. It's so crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye bye bye. To midnight, something evil lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost touches your heart. You try to scream, but turns into sound before you make it. You start to freeze, and slowly don't you right between your eyes. You're paralyzed. Cause this is thriller night. I know what's gonna save you when the beat does not strike. Cause this is thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. Girl, but all the while you hear a creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause it's a thriller, thriller night. There ain't no second chance against the thing with 40 eyes, girl. Thriller night, you're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. Night creatures calling, the dead start to walk in that masquerade. There's no escaping the jaws of the aliens this time. So the end of your life. They're out to get you. The scene was closing in on every side. They won't possess you unless you change that number on your dial. Now is the time. Now you're not the cuddle close together. Yeah, I'll go tonight. I'll save you from the terror on the screen. I'll make you see, 'cause this is thriller, thriller night. 'Cause I can feel you more than any goose would never dare try. So let me hold you tight and share a killer, 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 killer night. 'Cause this is thriller, thriller night. Girl, I can feel you more than any goose would never dare try. So let me hold you tight and share a killer, killer. Ow! I'm gonna feel you tonight.
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without their souls all getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. The foul stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to quiver. For no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. But now you're on the side and you show me how you want it to be. Yeah, tell me baby, 'cause I need to know now, because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Put me aside, let me beg you one more time. Oh baby, baby, the reason I break is you. Girl, you got me blind. Oh pretty baby, there's nothing that I won't do. I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go.